Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to see more dates on Google Maps, step by step. This feature is useful if you want to view different images of a location taken over time. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our helpful tutorials. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Google Maps app on your mobile device or tablet. Make sure you're connected to the internet for the best experience. Step 2. Once Google Maps is open, tap on the Layers icon. You'll typically find this icon in the top right corner of your screen. Step 3. In the Layers menu, select Street View. This will highlight all areas available for Street View as blue lines on the map. Step 4. Now tap on any blue line in the area you're interested in. This will open the Street View for that location. Step 5. While in Street View, look for the See More Dates link. This link is typically found in the top left or bottom right of the screen, depending on your device. Tap on it to view different dates available for that location. Step 6. After tapping See More Dates, you'll see a carousel of images at the bottom of the screen. Scroll through these images to see how the location has changed over time and select any image to view it in full screen. Step 7. If you prefer using a computer, you can access Street View by dragging Pegman onto the map in Google Maps. Then, click on the See More Dates link to access the same time travel feature. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you explore historical images on Google Maps. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.